Nakat ay seed. Tingnan natin seed. Ano ka on stock? On stock. Ay, dragon fruit. No need mythical fruit na yan. Gusto itong prismatic na. Itong burning bud. Need ko yun. Burning bud baka naman. Burning bud. O gagi, hindi mo nag-ustak ng basic sprinkler. Hindi kaya atin dito nga ano. Oops. Gorgeous na ako dito. Tara natin kolektahin siya. Ano siya? Oh, what the stencil. Ito yung fruit siya. Stock. Anything to sell. I want to sell this. Oh my god, 2 million. 2 million. Cash away price. OMG. It's an elephant ear. It's amazing. Curious lang ako. YouTube. Ito ako nakang-curious eh. I want to sell to my inventory. Oh my god, 7 million. 7 million ganyan lang. Madali kumita guys. 7 million agad. Oh, what the fuck. Sugar apple is meron tong rainbow, instruct, and bank, and check. Honey glaze with cloud jet and 575 million. Wow, oh my god. Lag. So, hina net. Oh my god. Kanina, 1 hour siya, 47 minutes na lang. Game, kaya natin to. Walang susuko. Wala, naka-private server pala ako. How much this? Ask natin sa kanya kung magkano itong pika. Pag mura lang siya. Oh, 609,000. Mura lang. Ano kaya? What on stock is bamboo. Bamboo ko ito naman. Wow, Diyos ko naman dyan Nandito na, bye-bye.